Nice little goat farm here. The Swift truck yard. Property next door. Something you don't see every day. Next to a truck yard. Hi, babies. Come here. Come here. Hi. What you doing? Hey, look at you. Hey, Billy. Hey, Billy. Pretty cool. All right, hello to you from Sumner, Washington, here at the Swift Terminal. Just getting a little exercise walking around the truck yard. My truck is in the shop. Needs some service. Get that taken care of tomorrow. I got an air leak in the air tanks. So I had to order a part, and hopefully we'll get that going. But just walking around here and discover this little goat farm. Right here in the truck yard. It's a property next door. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, Billy. Hours of entertainment right here. I used to have goats when I was a kid in New Mexico. We grew up on a little ranch in Chimayo near Santa Fe. We had a couple billy goats, a nana goat. We had some good fresh goat's milk, goat's cheese. Remember that? Delicious. All right, guys, have a good night. All right. That's the latest here in Sumner, Washington, just outside of Seattle. Back on the road, hopefully soon. Back to Reno. Can't wait. Have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Here at the Swift Terminal, along with the goats. Bye. I'll see you later, okay? Yum, yum. Trying to eat my phone. Oh, excuse me.